son is contesting just at the age of 26. Anand Patel joining me from Rohtak. Now that's one of the real battles because Dipinder Singh Hooda, the son of Bhupinder Singh Hooda, former Chief Minister, contesting. Mr. Hooda himself, Senior Hooda, contesting from Sonepat. What's happening in Rohtak, the one seat that the Congress won during the Modi wave? Is there a sense you're getting that this is the state where the BJP hopes to capitalize on the divided vote, much like in Delhi, the anti-BJP vote?
Well, here in Delhi, Rohtak, BJP made a pitched campaign. You see, Amit Shah spent 3 days here strategizing for the entire Haryana BJP's campaign. And also, on the last day of campaigning, we saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding a big rally here. So the BJP has been putting in all efforts to win this seat, which they couldn't manage to do in 2014. So that's the one highlight of this constituency here. It's been a Congress stronghold, Bhupinder Singh and then Dipinder Hooda. But important factor here is, the voters of Haryana are sort of battling between a double engine of development as claimed by the BJP and a double anti-incumbency against the Modi Khattar government as claimed by the Congress party. Remember, last time the Rohtak and Hisar seat were the only two seats which the BJP could win. But back then, there were factors like, the Jat versus non-Jat, which helped the BJP, and also the Sirsa Dera factor, which assisted the BJP to win the assembly polls, which will be held 6 months later. Both these factors are now not in play in the favor of the BJP. And that's where the Congress says that it's in for a revival. Remember, as you were talking, the legacy of the clans is also at stake. And Hisar, for one constituency, we are witnessing a battle between grandsons of two Lals, Bhajan Lal as well as Devi Lal. And also there we have the son of Brijendra Singh, Union Minister. So he is also grandson of Sir Chotu Ram. So legacies are at stake. The future of political clans here is at stake because this election, the outcome will decide who's going to win the assembly polls as well. Because Haryana, there's a pattern, the party which comes to power in the center, 6 months later, the people of Haryana elect the same party to rule the state. So that's the Delhi connect, since being a border, a state, the voters prefer whichever government is there at the center, they voted here as well for the assembly. So pitched battle, and people are calling it the semi-final. Though it's a Lok Sabha poll, central government is to be elected, but people are calling this as a semi-final to the assembly polls.